Divide 860 by 5 in long division method. 5 times 1 is 5. On subtracting we get 3. So now we put down this 6 and it is 36. 5 times 7 is 35. On subtracting we get 1. So now we put down this 0 and it is 10. So 5 times 2 is 10. On subtracting we get 0. So 860 divided by 5 is 172. So this much for today and thanks for watching.